How to make PDF file in mobile. First, open your Google Drive, and here we can explore various options to make a PDF file on mobile. One of the best options is to click New and select Scan. Here, you can basically scan any document that you want to be in a PDF file. Take a picture, click Done, and save as a PDF. The second option is to click New and upload the picture. Once it is uploaded, click these three dots and select Print. Click and save as PDF. You can also turn your existing docs file into a PDF by opening your file, clicking three dots and selecting the Share and Export. Then save as PDF, and there you have it. That is how you can make a PDF file in mobile. If this helps, consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and consider checking out our other videos.